Hello, good evening, everyone. This is me. I'm seeing my son. Today, we discuss about the very unique topic: how to earn money online. There is a lot of opportunity available in this video. Today, we discuss about the greatest platform. The platform name is the TaskRabbit. Firstly, I elaborate the marketplace. TaskRabbit is the American online mobile workplace that match freelancing labor local demand, allowing consumer to find immediately help with every task, including cleaning, moving, delivery, and handmade work. Founded in 2008 by Lee Busque, the company has received $37 million in the funding to date and currently has 10,000 of events. Background check tasks are available to help consumer across a wide variety categories. And G. Barbecue founded TaskRabbits when she had no time to buy dog food, busting his own idea of neighbor and helping neighbors. The history, the prosecutor of TaskRabbit, the earned which was launched in 2008, is the Boston, Manchester, with the help of 100 meters. In 2000, the Ferraris become the advertised to the firm after meeting the Bosco as Facebook investors. The firm accumulate 1.8 million in the seed funding from the venture capital fund and hire the company fulfill employees, brain lord and the software engineer with whom she had worked IBM. In April 2010, the Bosco changed the name of the company by the runway on to TaskRabbit. By the June 2007, Bosque and the team moved across and opened operation in the central Frekanso by the area. On the latter 2007, the TaskRabbit closed 5 million series included the Shishka Party and the capital Botswana. In 2002, the Bosco resumed the role of the CEO with the gross saying or the company board of director advised to strategy and operation. In January 2013, the company hired Stad Brownfield, former Google venture entrepreneur in residency and the Warrender leader of the global operation at the Google's at the company first CEO. In 2013, a new tool for TaskRabbit business was introduced which allow business to hire the temporary work from the TaskRabbit at the 26% reboard. The company launched its first international market in London in November 2013 because of decline both in bids and incomplete and accept tasks in the US. The company chose to test a new system in London instead of eBay inspired bidding model. Tasker would set their own rates and schedules, and when a new job was posted, the matches their profile in the platform would send them and alert the first to respond to the Go Job London. The result was the positive was the company metrics improved the average amount of money that individual task and the platform got job. Acquisition of Idea Key. In September 2017, the IKEA group announced it would be acquire the TaskRabbit. It would be the continued operation, further assembling service from the TaskRabbit in March. In April, the company was affected by data breach. In September 2018, the IKEA announced to launch TaskRabbit Toronto, Montreal, Montelisa, the TaskRabbit United States, and Brinton. Other services had launched in the Toronto and the very good appreciatables.